fuck off.
Так, итак, все, зацепили. Зацепили. А он как? С разгону, что ли, ходит? О, отходим, отходим, отходим. И... Ух ты! Давай, 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 давай! Молодец! Вывернул. Стой! Ой-ой-ошеньки, ой-ой.
I think so. No, maybe not. I don't know.
I don't think that was the one underwater.
I don't think it was. Maybe not. Usually it goes blue. Oh my God! Well done!
Oh, holy. 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 Holy.
Fuck, bro. Look at this bloke. No way. What are you doing, bro? Just fucking ripped the cunt off. What are you doing in the car?
I was trying to park it just like everybody else, sorry.
No, you ripped it up and fucked its bum, bro. Mate, he moved it forward, he moved it right in its rear. Fucking get that up, ya. No way. Look at these blokes in Perth. Can't park there, bro.
see those two pedals are too close together?
Yeah.
When I was pressing the
You thought it
brake,
was the
I just pressed the thingy and then just.
Yeah, you need to press easy, man.
Oh no, honey.
Uncle, big trouble. Big trouble, uncle.
Sorry. You can't video us, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
시계 손까지